This video is to demonstrate how to save a pattern and to open a saved pattern in the Induction Cut software. If you would like to save edits in a pattern for future use, you can navigate to the File menu and then click on the Save option. Give the pattern a name and click Save. Now, in order to access your saved edits for the future, I'm going to close the existing window, and we're back in the design browser, and I'm simply going to refresh the screen by clicking Display again. And you'll notice under the pattern that I just had opened, it gives me a revisions option. So if I click on revisions, it's going to show the revision that I've made. And from this screen, if I click on the pattern number, it reopens it with the changes that I had already made. So that's how to save a pattern and to open a saved pattern in the Induction Cut software.